With this video, you will learn how to properly install the Worthouse Flamingo gutter system on your house. Start with the preparation of the front fascia trim. Measure and cut the bottom edge of the fascia as shown on the screen. Then fold the measured part inwards along the traced line until you reach a 90-degree angle. Make sure to install the fascia panel with at least 1 inch overlapping and do not fasten it through the connection. Hangers installation. Install first hanger about 1 inch from the top edge of the plywood. Now install a hanger at the end of the fascia. To obtain a proper slope, tie the middle hanger with the one on the end of the fascia using a line with suspended level and adjust the hanger to obtain a minimum drop. Now mount the remaining hangers. Spacing between hangers should not be greater than 2 feet. The bottom part of the hanger should gently touch the string. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Measure the position of the downspout and outlet. Mark it on the gutter and apply the drop outlet to draw the hole cutout. The diameter of the hole should be slightly larger than the diameter of the outlet drain tip. Drill a few holes to create access for the snips and cut along the marked perimeter. Use pliers to compact and bend uneven edges. After preparing the hole, install drop outlet and secure it on the gutter. Install the end cap using pliers and gutter sealant as shown on the screen. Gutter installation. Set prepared gutter into the hangers and snap it in. Install the next gutter section with at least 1/4 inch spacing and repeat the process. Install joint connectors as shown on the screen and remember to use gutter sealant to embrace rubber gasket system. Drip edge S installation. Prepare the first drip edge as shown on the screen. Install it starting from the edge and continue to the end of the roof. Downspout installation. Fit the first elbow into drop outlet. Measure the distance to the wall and to the outflow elbow. Assemble the downspout and set it straight to the wall. Mark the anchor positions and install downspout mounts. Complete the installation, securing each connection using short fasteners. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos.